Looks like I'm black. And this is gonna be the last 3Q game. After this one, we rank up, and we will be doing 4Q. So pretty, or not 4Q, 2Q. So that should be pretty exciting. Pincers, okay. Almost always 3-3 is okay. If he blocks this side, then this is just too open, and he still has to add a move. Oof, I haven't seen this in forever. I don't remember how to punish it. I think you can cut right away. I think the simple one is just go down first, they defend, you connect under. We'll do the simple one, because I can't remember. And I think they're supposed to just connect, you connect under. But I think if they played this one, you can cut. Yeah, I haven't seen this in years. And now he doesn't really have anything he can really do. If he Ataris me this way, I just block, and he doesn't have enough liberties. If he Ataris me this way, I go here, and then this one's in trouble. But with this, I can just take the liberty away, and I should be able to capture him first. Which, even if he does Atari and he gets this direction, it doesn't really help him too much. Okay, so we'll just throw in here, and then these should be captured. And that's why after the pincer and you go 3-3, you don't play this Hane. Because there's this cut here. And I believe you can cut right away. But it's really complicated if I remember right. I don't fully remember it, but it's just as simple just to extend down here. If they connect, you connect to this stone, and then this is good enough for black. If they do what he did and he just blocks here, then you can just get rid of liberties, and it should work out pretty well. Don't do this one. Forgot what I was doing. Almost let him get away with it. Hopefully he doesn't resign. So I'd have to start a new game. Oh, yeah, we just Atari, and he resigns, of course. Yeah, of course. Looks like I'm black for this one as well. Just do 4-4s. He approaches instead of a corner. So we could just take the corner if he double approaches, it's okay, but I like to be patient. I'll just back off. He goes here, we'll be patient again. Now he has to play here, and then I get another corner. This one is just not threatening. We don't care about this corner. So we'll just take the empty corner. He approaches. Again, just be patient, back off. He goes there. We'll do this one again. He does this one. And again, we don't care about this corner. So we're just gonna Tanuki again. He attaches on top. I know this is okay if that's a 4-4 stone. As a 3-4, it just doesn't feel as good. Not sure if I played this right, but feels like it should be okay. Because he can cut here, but I'll just extend. He can Atari, but he goes here, and then there's some Aji over here for later, and I get to extend first. So we can turn here. Okay. So this is very big. If we turn here, he has to block, or else we can push out. So it feels very nice to play here. And he does block. And this is our weakest group. And if he double approaches, it's not that serious. But if he peeps here, this group is kind of weak. So it's just going to protect it. Okay, he makes a base. Okay, so now we'll kick to make him a little bit over concentrated and take our corner. He could invade here, but when we Hane here, this outside gets damaged by quite a bit. Okay. There's some Aji here. And I think we'll just defend it like this. Maybe not the best move, but corner is now pretty solid. His outside is a little bit stronger, but not too much stronger. Okay, so we have this move here and this move. So we have some potential. So I'm thinking we could play here to try and develop this side. Playing at the top here or playing here just doesn't feel as good. And I want to play 2 spaces away so that if I play here and he pincers, he has a connection under. So I want to prevent that. I guess he's worried about life. Yeah, we'll just connect. Okay, he Ataris. Just connect. If he extends, we make a base. Now he has a weak group here that we can attack. Yeah, we'll go ahead and block. And if I go here, he goes here. I probably have to extend or Hane, which he can Atari extend. So his group is getting stronger. So I think I'm just going to extend here. And if he pushes again, this is not Sente. So I can come from this direction, which again is supporting this group, getting rid of some of his eye shape. Okay, he extends. We just keep our points. He can't really connect to this in one move. So we'll just play nice and solid. So even if he did this one, we could still cut. But even this one, we can cut. And his corner is probably going to get in trouble if he doesn't defend. Because now we can go here and Atari, and then these stones are in some trouble. So we're just going to extend. So now he has two weak groups that he has to defend. He defends this one. But now I think we just will jump here. Doesn't really matter if he lives or not, but just surrounding him here and getting some influence on the outside feels very nice. I feel like whatever he made here, we're going to make with this wall, at the very least. And this makes this a little bit stronger if this ever were to get in trouble, so I feel like it's definitely worth having this wall. This is also not 100% alive, so that could come into play. Don't think he needed to play this one, but now we have Sente, so I think we're just going to approach here. Now that we have this wall here, if they invade, we're very happy to start a fight. Play the Kasumi so that they can't connect under and just jump out. This group should be okay. And we'll just defend like this because we're starting to also build some points here. And he still has to run out with this group somehow. And letting him peep here doesn't really feel like it helps him that much. Okay, so he tries to attack this first. We'll just block. And make a base for our group. Okay, so he tries to get out here. We're just going to try and separate. We're not going to try too hard to kill this group. Okay, this is our weaker group, so we're going to make sure it stays connected. He goes here. This doesn't do much. It's not cutting or anything, so we can just go here, which is helping get rid of his eye shape. So I'm not quite sure why he played this move. And now we can push here. And push here. And yeah, we'll just play here. We have this nice wall here, so we're going to use it to attack and not make points. Don't think this works for him. I think if he goes here, 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 we can just capture. He connects, so we'll connect. So now he doesn't have any eyes, although maybe he can get one eye here. Okay, so he tries to get out. I think we'll just Hane. Again, we have all these stones over here, so we're not worried about getting cut. If he does cut, we just Atari and extend. And even if he lives here, he's damaging this group. So we could play forcing moves, make this group weaker as well. Okay, make the bamboo, make sure everything is connected. And turn here. Gives us a little points here, makes the connection a little bit better, threatens to get rid of this eye. Does several things. And I think we'll just play here, so now we can't attach here to try and get an eye here. And also with this push, yeah, this group's also in some danger. Okay, so he's trying to cut us off. I think we'll just defend here. This should be okay. We're making some points. If he cuts here, we're just going to play here, make sure we're nice and connected. Yeah, not sure why I did that. We'll just block this way, because I think it gives us a little bit more eye shape. And I don't think it helps him make eyes in any way. And this group is also looking very weak. It feels like I just have to play here, peep here, and then this is just not alive. So again, he needed to defend more. Okay, and he does resign. He didn't really defend this group. He didn't defend this because he never gave it a base. This group he never defended because he didn't give it a base. And he got into trouble here, and then these groups all kind of died. And that's why it's very important to always defend your groups and try to stay connected. Trying to rush and get to play everywhere, but not playing the last move just gets you into trouble. And I would like to thank my Patreons and really appreciate your support. And I'll see you all next time.